Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to create a landing page with MailerLite. Once you are here, you want to click on Sites and then create a new site. And after that, you will need to name your site. So for example, I'm just going to write down YouTube example for today. And now you choose a type. So of course, a landing page, and now save and continue. Now you will need to add your subscriber groups. So for me, I don't have any, but basically you want to select them all probably and then click continue. Now you can either choose a template or start from scratch. So this is the start from scratch button. And these are all of the templates. They have 49 templates here, which you can choose from. And they also have some existing land pages. So this is my created landing page, but I'm just gonna do a template. So for example, let's choose this bakery and create a bakery landing page. Now, as you can see, this is how it looks like. There is a contact form there at the bottom. This is the footer. This is the header. So first of all, let's edit the header. You're going to click on edit on this pencil button, and now you will go ahead and, for example, change the image. I'm just going to leave it, but basically you enter your logo here, and here is social media icons. As you can see, they have been added here. So for example, maybe we don't have Twitter and we have only Facebook, YouTube, and maybe Instagram. So let's do Instagram. Here it is. And basically you just add your link here. Now you can open links in a new tab. So I would suggest maybe to do that. And then you're going to click save. There's also some settings. So I want to click on it and click on settings. So the header layout, you can choose it either to be logo, navigation, company name, navigation, CTA, logo and social icons, or company name and social icons. So as you can see, this is logo and social icons. I'm just going to leave it, but you can also do a navigation one. For example, this is how it would look like, but I'm just going to leave it like so. Now the vertical spacing, I'm just gonna leave it like it is. Content, medium or wide. Let's leave it to content. And now you can change the background of the header. So let's, for example, do a blue color, just like so. And social media icons, you can change the color of them, the outline circle, and size of it. And you're gonna save it. Now we can go ahead and edit the main thing. So for example, you can change the image if you want. Now to upload an image, you will have options like URL, Google Drive, Jiffy, or Icon Finder, or you can just upload it. I'm just going to leave the same. Now let's go ahead and edit the button. So this is the button. You can also have a secondary button, for example, something like so. And here you can see you will have now two buttons and you can save them. Now let's go ahead, and these are the settings of the whole page. So you can choose a full width, container, or transparent, a regular. So for example, transparent will look something like so. Some animations you can fade, for example, include page header and footer, choose those options. Some design settings like font, the background of this whole bakery, and a card option. So let's maybe change the body background to some color. Here it is. Now it's changed. And for example, this one could be a little bit darker. just like so. And here's a button, call to action, basically color. So for example, let's make it really just like so. And on the hover, you want to also change it to a different color and save it. Now the same goes for the secondary button, which is right there. You want to go ahead and change it. For example, the text should be this, the background color. We can leave it actually to this one, and maybe let's do this. The border color could be the same. And again, right there, border style, we can do something like so. Now, once you are done with that, you want to go ahead to blogs, and you can see that they have a lot of blogs which you can add here, like an event, a countdown, event table, maps, sign up form, and contact form. So let's go ahead and now the contact form is right there, and we can leave it like so. But for the sign up form, let's go ahead and add it maybe here. And now you want to go ahead and click edit. Now you can include media if you want and include text. I'm not going to do that. Now click on the form, and now you can edit the button action page and also a text, and you can also add some other fields if you want, and some form settings. So you can go ahead and add privacy policy or confirmation checkbox, and also go to settings here. And again, you can adjust the colors and so on and so forth. For example, let's change the background, or maybe let's just turn it off. And now it will be like a card color. Let's just save it. Now this is how it looks like. Here is a contact form, which you can also edit right there. You can go ahead and add other fields and, for example, delete something. But basically that's how it looks like. Go to settings, and it looks pretty similar. We can add reCAPTCHA if you want. Now the background, I'm gonna just turn it off maybe. Maybe let's make it a different color. You can also add an image here, but basically that's how you edit everything. Don't forget to edit the footer. And after you have done that, you want to go ahead and save the draft. Now you will be redirected to the page settings, where you can, if you have not a free plan, then you can edit the URL, choose a favy icon, add some SEO settings, show social share and analytics like Google and Facebook Pixel. Click on pop-ups, for example. And after that, you're gonna save and continue. And your landing page is done. So this is gonna be a link. You can copy it and add it to your WordPress, for example, or somewhere else. If this video was helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you next time. Bye.